Okay, the months of the year in Spanish. Alright, let's get with the seasons first. Invierno is going to be winter. Primavera is spring. Otoño will be for fall and autumn. And last but not least, Verano will be for summer. Alright, the first 3 months of the year are Enero for January, Febrero for February, and Marzo for March. Abril is April, Mayo is May, Junio is June, Julio is July, Agosto is August, Septiembre is September, and the last 3 months, Octubre is October, Noviembre is November, Diciembre is December. And those are the months of the year in Spanish.